Hi, I'm Sean Gannon. This is MinuteMath, and today we are going to learn about combining like terms. We're going to simplify these expressions, and when we combine like terms, we're going to find what parts of the expression, what sections of the expression have the same variable, as well as same variable with the same exponent. That's important. Those are two facts you want to remember. So our first example here, we have 8y plus 6y squared minus 10. Okay, so how can we combine our like terms? We look at it, okay, I see two y's here, but one has a y squared. They're not the same. We cannot combine those with addition and subtraction. That is impossible. You're not allowed to, or not impossible, we're not allowed to do it. You're not allowed to do that stuff. So what I like to do personally, it's up to you or your teacher, but I like to put the highest exponent value first and then work our way down from there. So we're going to rearrange this. We're allowed to, with addition and subtraction, rearrange the parts of the expression. So I'm going to put the 6y squared out first, plus a positive. There's a positive 8y there. You should note that, positive 8y minus 10. And at this point, we are actually done. The expression as given is already simplified. The second expression here has a part of m's and y and a number by itself without a variable after it. So we want to combine our m's together and our y's together. Now we note that all have a power of 1 with the exponent, so we don't have to worry about that with this example here. So I'm going to rearrange my two m's together so they're next to each other. It's easier to see them connect that way. So we have our 18m minus 3m, right? Or sorry, let's rewrite that here, plus a negative 3m, which is the same thing as minus 3m, but for the sake of this video, let's keep it as such, plus 4y plus 2. Okay, put the 4y there, and then the 2 just comes down. Now I can combine my like terms. I have an 18m plus a negative 3m, which comes out to be 15m. My 15 looks like a 16. Plus 4y plus 2. Now it really doesn't matter which 15m plus 4y you put in front of each other. Your preference really, I don't know any teacher out there that would really mark you off for that one. But again, we put just a 15m. The 4y has no other variable y in there, so it's just left alone by itself. And then the 2 is over there on the end. Usually put the number without a variable by itself at the end, the last one out there. That's just my personal preference. Lastly, we have the expression negative 3x squared minus 4y plus 7x squared plus 6x plus 10y. That is a pretty big expression. We see a lot of x's, x squared, y's in there. So what I'm going to do first is combine my like terms, put all the x squareds together, all the y's together, and all the x's together. Not necessarily in that order. I'm going to go x squareds, x's, then y's. That's my personal preference. I like to put the power first and then those variables that are similar to that power together. So I see that we have a negative 3x squared. I have a plus 7x squared. And what some people like to do is cross off ones, especially when you have big ones like this that you've already put down here, so you don't forget a certain variable. You cross off each section, and so they're put together. So I have negative 3x squared plus 7x squared minus, or not minus, I'm going to put my x here. I'm going to bring this one down next because I want my x's together, 6x. Now I'm going to subtract a 4y. I'm going to bring that down here, minus that 4y, plus 10y. And note, I have crossed off every single part of that expression, so I know I haven't forgotten anything. It's a good little tip, so you don't forget that, especially on a test quiz or a homework assignment. You would hate to get the question wrong for just forgetting something like that. Okay? So now, well, let's combine our like terms. Negative 3x squared plus 7x is 4x squared plus 6x by itself. Okay, we've finished those. Now we have negative 4y plus 10y. Negative 4y plus 10y comes out to be 6y plus 6y. And now I'm actually complete. Okay, I finished this problem. We have all this messy work up here, and now came down to a simplified expression here with 3 parts to it.
Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, the creator of MinuteMath. And if you like this video, please hit the like button that's right there. If you have a mathematical question, just add it to the comment section below. And lastly, if you want to see more videos just like this one, hit subscribe. It's right there. But as always, thanks for watching.